Now you can play 5-finger pattern with both hands together. It's time to move on. This time you're gonna play right hand, just 5-finger pattern. Then at the end, I want you to add the third finger. That is called triad. 3 notes. 3-note harmony is called triad. I want you to add the triad at the end. And that's right hand. Left hand is actually those are playing just 1, 5, 1. Those are Roman numeral. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go to 5, 5. Fifth note on 5-finger pattern, and go back to 1. Then at the end, you're gonna add the triads. So I'm gonna play with both hands. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off.